Related questions here. Hi, Marlene, you ready?
Hello, I'm ready.
Why does this plant why is it growing strange?
Yeah, so that's a Fatsia japonica, and it is a common shade plant for outside because it gives a look of the tropics. Sometimes plants do this random thing called witch's broom. You usually see it on trees, but it could be on any plant. That means where the new foliage and growth is very stunted. This could have been cold induced. It could have been pruning induced. It could just be a genetic variable to it, but it looks healthy. It looks like it wants to flower. See how it reacts in spring. It may bounce back. Like I said, it could just been a cold snap, but other than that, it looks healthy.
Okay, very good. Next one here is, what is this plant and how do I take care of it?
That is Ficus elastica, and it's a dark-leafed form, a common house plant, but it can grow outside in a protected area in this zone. Lower leaves, some of them are yellowing. That's just cold-induced and old foliage. Those will fall off. It grows to be a very large tree. You could prune it, but remember, wherever you make a cut, it's going to bush out. So just keep that in mind. You could stake it to get it more upright and rotate it with the sun. Eventually, you'll need a bigger pot, probably in the springtime, but it looks great.
If it's used to being outside, can they still take it inside?
They could take it inside. If it's been, remember, if you have any houseplant that's inside right now, do not move it outside right now.
Too cold, too cold. Okay, and this one is, I have mushrooms growing on the dirt right here on the base there. Ew.
Remember, your mushrooms and fungi are decomposers. If you have organic matter, which is almost in all potting soil, it is decomposing completely fine. If you don't like it, you're afraid of an animal or kid eating it, just snap it off. But they will grow back because their, quote, roots, mycelium, are in the soil, but they're good. Remember, almost any fungi you see in your plants is not the harmful type. It's the kind you can't see that actually harms your plant, but organic matter is what creates and allows these to grow.
Should they redirt it?
Redirt it? No, because any new potting soil is going to have new organic matter, and you might have it.
Okay, very good. Marlene the Plant Lady, how do we follow you?
Facebook, Instagram, Marlene the Plant Lady, Flower Power Garden Hours, my podcast, and Everything Gardening's YouTube.
Wonderful. All right, Marlene will be here all morning long. Topic later on today is?
How to do spring cuttings.
Wonderful. All right, we'll be right back.